Did you know the airline industry is changing and more aircraft companies are now phasing out their old gas-guzzling jumbo jets in favor of Airbus A220? Want to know why? Then keep watching the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to another exciting news from Aviation News. In today's video, we're going to talk about why the A220 is the best-selling aircraft. So without any further ado, let's begin. British Airways and KLM have already ordered retirement plans in place for their 747s, which will be replaced by newer aircraft such as the 787 and the A350. In the short to medium flying, aircraft such as 737 MAX and A320neo jets have appeared to offer the same form factor as their previous models but with higher fuel efficiency. So with this stable trend toward smaller planes, one question arises: is there any room for another kind of aircraft? Airbus has confirmed yes, and they're doing so with the new A220 series, or what many of us may remember as the C series. Now, in order to acknowledge the aircraft's place in the industry, we first had to take a short look at its latest history. If you remember the big jet company Bombardier, the original manufacturer of the aircraft was in a distressed situation to confirm orders on their new jet upon its release. Its goal was to attract the US airlines, a market known for its wide use of smaller regional jets. As an encouragement, they offered to sell Delta planes, the aircraft at a fragment the price from the $70 million to $18 million per unit. An illegal practice is known as dumping. What followed was a 300% tariff placed on the C-Series jet, which rendered the plan unprofitable in the US market. Suddenly, in October 2021, Airbus announced that it would be buying a 50% stake in the former C-Series program. This meant that the aircraft could be produced at their assembly plant in Mobile, Alabama, skipping the important tariffs placed on the Canadian manufacturer and thus saving the program. But surprisingly, in July of 2021, the aircraft was renamed the A220 and it officially became a member of the Airbus family. So why is the aircraft so special? Well, because it speaks for an area that until now has been left over in the aviation industry. The market between regional jets and conventional short-haul fleets with a range of over 6,500 kilometers. It has the capability to reach all significant destinations in the United States and Europe with one flight and could even fly aboard if it wanted to. At the same time, however, its small size allows it to fly to many regional airports that a 737 could not fly to. Fundamentally, the aircraft has the best of both worlds, the range of an average haul aircraft and the size of a small aircraft. It's a perfect presentation of where the aviation industry is headed. Traditionally, airlines operate using a hub-spoke system where the company operates its aircraft through a major central hub such as London Heathrow before branching out to a large number of smaller airports. However, the industry is transforming with airlines such as the Norwegian opting for a so-called point-to-point system where the aircraft flies directly to the destination without going through a major hub. Such a system does not make sense to be operated by large aircraft, which is where the A220 stands unique. It is nevertheless a potential idea though. In addition to this, the airplane has also been glorified for its versatility. Airbus advertises the A220 as a great network branch, which means it works also well for the aircraft that do rely on the traditional help-spoke system. Besides that, some other advantages of the A220 include its high efficiency, passenger comfort, and easy maintenance. So what do you guys think of the Airbus A220? Let us know in the comments below. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.